Use Enhanced Chat to choose your own mode of engaging with Now Assist. Enhanced Chat includes a dynamic, movable, and resizable chat window. You can use Enhanced Chat from a variety of entry points and have multiple active conversations. Navigate to Assistants under Conversational Interfaces. Then Display Experience. Admins can select between Standard Chat and Enhanced Chat. In this case, we'll select Enhanced Chat. Requesters can use the search bar to find a specific answer or request. The portal displays a Now Assist synthesized response, as well as search results for the specific query. If applicable, select an inline citation and the answer to choose between submitting a request in a form or through Enhanced Chat. Enhanced Chat opens, and you can continue submitting your request. The Enhanced Chat window also includes the option to create a new chat, view previous chats, find support contact information, and update the chat settings. Enhanced Chat also features window controls like expand, pin, and minimize, so you can adjust the chat window to fit your workspace. You can use the thumbs icons to rate if the answer provided was helpful, and by selecting the search icon, you can go back to the search results. Enhanced Chat also includes an optional full-page experience. When activated by an admin, users will be redirected to the full-page experience after entering a search into the portal search bar. The synthesized response appears in the chat conversations, providing you with more comprehensive and detailed information where applicable. The full-page experience features a more immersive chat experience and includes the same options to create a new chat, view previous chats, contact support, and change the chat settings. Select the chat or search toggle to switch between the full-page experience chat or search results for your specific request or query. You can access the Enhanced Chat window even when the full-page experience is on. To return to the Enhanced Chat window, exit out of the full-page experience and continue chatting in the Enhanced Chat window. Conversations remain in sync between the Enhanced Chat window and full-page experience. Using Enhanced Chat provides an enhanced experience for you and your organization to find information and submit requests. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.